Welcome to our tutorial on how to use speech-to-text in Microsoft Word. Speech-to-text is a powerful feature that allows you to dictate your thoughts and ideas, making document creation easier than ever. In this video, we'll show you how to get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Ensure you have a version of Word that supports speech-to-text, like Word 2013 or later. You can start with a new document or open an existing one where you want to use speech-to-text. To access the speech-to-text feature, press Window+H and speech-to-text feature will enable. If you're using the microphone feature for the first time, you might be prompted to enable microphone access. Allow access to continue. Once you've allowed microphone access, a microphone icon will appear on the screen. Speak clearly and naturally into your device's microphone. Word will convert your speech into text in real time. You can also use voice commands to format and edit your document. For example, you can say bold to apply bold formatting or new paragraph to start a new paragraph. To stop dictation, click or tap the microphone icon again. Your spoken text will be transcribed into the document. There you have it. You've successfully used speech-to-text in Microsoft Word to create your document quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks.